So my name's Louise. I've been in property probably for about 10 years or so, but sort of seriously, properly, full-time for just over a year.
And how's that journey been?
Absolutely amazing. Obviously joined the academy just over a year ago as well, so that's obviously just like transformed everything. My main focus was flips, so I just completed on a big back-to-brick flip. We bought it at auction, did most of the work all ourselves, so it took us a little bit longer, but full back-to-brick refurb, knew everything. So we've just sold that, that's just completed, and then about 10 days after that we've just had a pre-auction offer accepted on our next project.
Sounds like it's going well.
Yeah.
And what role does the academy play then?
I think the main thing is opening your eyes to like other strategies. We knew about flips, we knew about sort of just bog standard buy-to-lets, but the academy's kind of taught us about all these other strategies like social housing, lease option agreements, SAs. So it's just sort of really opened our eyes and given us the confidence to actually go for it and actually, build up a cash flow.
Nice. And what about like the network of people? Is it
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. I'm one of the inner circle leaders down in Southampton with Adam Barker and Aimer. The friendships that you make is just absolutely amazing. To be fair, that's why I've renewed into my second year. The training's fantastic, but the networking, the friendships you make, everyone like really builds each other up, We just all try and help each other out. There's no sort of competition, just, really good friendships.
When you joined, was that something you had considered? Did you consider the fact that you might actually make friends as well as, obviously you have business connections, but...
Yeah, I think that there is like the networking element of it, but I thought, that's going to be sort of very businessy and just sort of a bit of networking, I might do a little bit of it. But when you start and you realise it's like one big family. That sounds really cliche, but it really is just like one big family. And I wouldn't be without it now. I'm pretty much just set for life with staying in the academy now.